been getting a few questions asking about the drivability of the truck after the camshaft install and the 3000 stall converter. So we're gonna go out on this road out here, and since we're in town, give a little demonstration of how it drives. So I'm just lightly accelerating right now. It does rev a little high, but it's really not a major issue with drivability. I barely even notice it. Again, I'm only just barely getting on the accelerator. So it's not like it's jumping off the line or accelerating out of control. It's very drivable. And now just sitting on a light here. We'll be sitting here for a moment. We'll watch the temperature gauge. It's going to remain a consistent 210, which is normal operating temperature for this engine. And this is with a stock radiator even. Now I got on it just a little bit harder there. I'd say about 20% throttle that was. We just got the gas mileage, and this was with E85. I was rather impressed with it. We were sitting right around 11.5 miles a gallon is what we calculated. That was all highway miles, but still, it's pretty amazing for E85. Typically, you get less gas mileage with E85. This is also with the 410 gears. I was getting some comments that the gearing would ruin the gas mileage as well. That is definitely not the case. We haven't done it with the high octane yet, which is 91 is what we can get around here. I would expect that to go up a couple miles to gallon even, so if that is indeed the case, I would be highly impressed. Does that guy have a turbo? Does it go up there? We'll switch to the dash cam with that. If we want to play, I want both hands on the wheel. Nice. It sounds like a turbo. It does sound like a turbo. Sidetrack there. As you can see, this is a race magnet, and I just demonstrated the drivability of it and the raceability of it. We just kicked that turboed I don't even know, what was it? Ford Fusion with a turbo, and we kicked its ass. Even with being late on the accelerator there, we were able to easily overtake them. I just can't wait until we get the supercharger. And can you imagine what it's going to be like after that? Definitely worth the headache and the money. All in all, I think today was a good day. I think I'm gonna go get some food and die happy.